So I thought it would say insomniac, because that's what I feel like.
I mean, this is probably accurate. She's just not mentally right, so.
Cool, thanks. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mills.
My name is Chris.
If you are new here, I make videos about a bunch of stuff. Dominican Republic, expat life, K-1 visa, some hauls, life, marrying someone from another country, bunch of good things.
If you like all that stuff, make sure to subscribe and like this video.
Share with a friend. Yeah, all of that is great. It helps me so much, so thank you. Today I'm excited because we're doing a DNA video again. We did a 23andMe review, and now we are doing the most comprehensive DNA test called
Circle DNA.
They gave us a coupon code to share with you guys if you want 33% off your DNA kit. It is Mills33. I'll put the link in the description and you can go get yours. Super fun. I love finding out more about, I'm adopted, so I love finding out stuff about myself, and he's just interesting. So let's see some of our results.
So there's a bunch of stuff, like there's a bunch of information in that application or the results. So we'll try to make it as short as possible and give you guys the most interesting details.
What I really liked about this what I really liked about this is that they did diet and lifestyle and exercise, which is stuff that the other tests didn't have. It's something really interesting for me. So let's do diet first, just for fun. Mine says healthy balance, which makes it kind of easy for me, and then it tells you different sensitivities. Only thing that came for me was salt, higher sensitivity to spice, super taster, which I agree, I feel like I have like that. Higher preference for sweets, weight regain, elevated risk, so that's fun. And if you click into any of these categories, it will tell you kind of like about it. It will give you some recommendations, and then it will go into scientific details. It does have a confidence score 1 through 5, and this is only a 2, so it's not, I'm gonna say I won't regain the weight, right?
For my diet, it says I have an optimal diet type of low carb. And then for the details, it says that I have a higher sensitivity for carbohydrate. Yeah, it just gives you general information about it. Salt sensitivity, which is true, I think. Spice,
don't we have
no
the same
question.
ones?
Taste sensitivity, I feel like that's true. I can smell stuff, and then I don't know if I like it or not. Sweet tooth, totally true.
I'm just gonna keep those baby noises in because they're cute.
I'm always trying to eat sweet stuff, even though I shouldn't. But weight regain. I
feel like that's not that accurate for you because you always lose weight. It also gives you information about nutrition. Won't talk about that this much. It talks about like different vitamins or minerals that you might need. The only thing I need, apparently is iodine. Chris basically had the same thing. That one's not as interesting. So let's do well-being. This is mine. Things like appetite control, inflammatory response, life longevity. Mine says likely average. Chris got, what'd you get for life longevity?
I'll live long and long.
Okay, it didn't say that. It did say above average, which I was like, great.
100 years.
Even it says like tendency for mosquito bites. So many random things. Stress and sleep, which was interesting. Sleep apnea, it says that I'm an average sleeper. It says that I need 7 to 9 hours of sleep. It will have like short, standard, or long. It says that I need 7 to 9 hours. Do I get that?
No, she sleeps for like 45 seconds every night.
Literally. Sleep movement. Sleep quality was interesting because it says I'm an easy sleeper, which means I fall asleep easily. That's just not how it goes. It takes me so long to fall asleep. So I thought it would say insomniac because that's what I feel like.
I mean, this is probably accurate. She's just not mentally right, so.
Cool, thanks. That's good. Scientific
Just
data.
Ignores that.
I can't. Yeah, oh, and this one, stress tolerance. It says that I am a warrior when faced with stressful situations, which is fun. Do you think that's true?
Yeah.
because I am literally ready for war. Chris's sleep and stress, he got average sleeper. This is interesting because he gets more sleep than any of us. You only need less than 7 hours.
Yeah, I think I operate well when I get below 7 hours or 6. But I like definitely want more than
he wants to sleep for like
hours.
15 hours a day.
Yeah, I want to sleep the entire day.
Easy sleeper, which is definitely true. You fall asleep like the second you close your eyes. And stress tolerance neutralist, so pretty even keeled, which I think is very true. Sorry guys, we were filming on Chris's phone, so that you'll probably see a quality change, but his keeps overheating, so don't get a Pixel. Interesting things was Ancestry. Do you want to tell them what? Do you remember your results? 100% European.
Who?
You.
That's hilarious. Long story short, she's white. I'm African and white.
Talk about yourself.
I'm African and white. That's it.
Yeah, he had like 3% Chinese. He had some interesting stuff. His DNA chart is a lot more interesting than mine, a lot more mixed. Southern European, Western European. Mine was like European, mostly Southern European, 5% Middle Eastern, random, I don't know about that. But unlike the 23andMe and Ancestry, it doesn't give you like relative matches and stuff, at least not the one that I got. That was super cool. We always love to see Ancestry and how they compare since we've done 23andMe, Ancestry, and now Circle.
They also give you a risk, like which diseases you're more likely to have.
Yeah.
Or you're like, risk for that.
Yeah, or like be a carrier for. So I'm a carrier for a couple different things. He is for one thing, and then actually before we had Mateo.
What is that?
I don't remember. I'll put it in the video.
Which one?
Oh, he cystic fibrosis, but I don't think it showed up on this. Mine's something like super rare and bad. But before we had Mateo, we actually did genetic testing since I'm adopted and found out like we are not both carriers for the same stuff, so that's great. And then finally, it says like your risk for reactions to different prescription medication, which was pretty cool to see. Things from like Tylenol all the way to like medication for older people, allergy medicine, all that stuff. So it was cool, and we both had like a few that said like this medicine might not be as effective for you. So that was interesting because good to know.
Yeah, and finally it tells you the risk for different types of cancer. And luckily we don't have any risks for any type of cancer.
Yeah.
We're clear on that.
It was a long list of pretty much every type of cancer too. So luckily it didn't come up on that genetically. So that one was the most comprehensive one we've done, right?
So the diet part, that was, I kind of had an idea, but that was really cool to know. Also, the type of exercise that I should be doing and all that stuff. I think that's really good to know, really good information.
Yeah. And I love seeing that too because I really like working out, and it was interesting to see like, I don't know what I'm doing versus what's recommended. And of course, it doesn't mean like doing HIIT won't work for me. It's just cool to see like based on your genetics, because I know people do things like the blood type diet and stuff like that. So it was cool. I liked it. It was really easy. We just did the saliva in a bottle, sent it out, downloaded the app, got the results back in like 3 weeks.
Not 3 weeks.
So if you guys want to get your DNA test done, Circle is awesome. Again, like it gives you so much information. We didn't go into everything. The link is in my description. You can get 33% off. If you have any questions, please comment below. Anything that you saw pop up on the screen, you want to know what we got, comment below. We'll be happy to answer it.
If you have any videos that you would like her to do, make sure to comment those. Type those in the comments below.
Yes. I have a cool interview coming up. I know I said I was going to do an interview with someone who has a coffee company and he sources from DR and he's Dominican. Super cool stuff. So that's coming up. Stay tuned. And then also how to do a business in DR with a Dominican. Thank you guys so much for watching. Right?
Yep. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank you. Stay tuned for more videos and we will see you guys soon.
Bye.